साबित होगी, ये कहना है एडमिरल चीफ नेवल चीफ एडमिरल ज़का का। कराची शिपयार्ड में चीन के ताउन से काम जारी है। बहरी जहाज की शमूलियत से बहरी दिफा में इजाफा होगा, ये कहना है एडमिरल ज़काउल्लाह का। आपको अपडेट कर रहे हैं, जदीद आलात से आरास्ता फास्ट अटैक क्राफ्ट मिसाइल 3 पाक बहरिया का हिस्सा बन गया है। फास्ट अटैक क्राफ्ट मिसाइल 3 दुश्मन के रडार में नजर न आने की सलाहियत रखता है। फास्ट अटैक क्राफ्ट मिसाइल 3 2 साल में मुकम्मल हुआ। पाक चीन इकतसादी राहदारी खित्ते में गेम चेंजर साबित होगी, ये कहना है नेवल चीफ का।
Karachi shipyard with collaboration of China is a testimony of our time-tested and evergreen friendship. Pak-China relations are founded on strong mooring and draw strength from the aspiration of our people. We are thankful to the government of China for their support. I am confident that this collaboration will increase manifold in times to come. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan's geographical location and current geostrategic environment dictate a strong navy to ensure seaward defense and safeguard Pakistan's maritime interests. Our sea trade routes and exclusive economic zone are the lifeline for our economy and need to be guarded at all costs. I am confident that induction of these vessels in due course will significantly enhance our operational capability and enable Pakistan Navy and Pakistan Maritime Security Agency to effectively ensure maritime peace and stability in the region. Today's ceremony also assumes importance in the context of China-Pakistan economic corridor, which together with Gwadar Port as its pivot and enabler is going to be a game changer, inshallah. It will usher economic dividends not only for China and Pakistan, but for the entire region. Here I may highlight that providing a safe and secure maritime environment is pivotal to the success of CPEC. Pakistan Navy is fully committed to this onerous task, and a number of steps have already been taken towards this end. Fast attack craft missile number 3 and maritime patrol vessels, once fully operational, will also contribute significantly towards ensuring maritime security in the area, which is so essential for the economic activities, especially those associated with the maritime sector. Ladies and gentlemen, it is satisfying to know that Karachi Shipyard has achieved major targets of its business plan and has become a prosperous public sector enterprise. This success has been made possible by the commitment and dedicated efforts of the management and workforce. Ladies and gentlemen, shipbuilding industry in Pakistan has promising and bright future. This, however, largely depends on the quality and efficiency of the skilled workforce. I would therefore urge Karachi Shipyard and Engineering Works to strive for excellence. I also urge the workforce to dedicate themselves for progress of Karachi Shipyard and the shipbuilding industry at large. The aim should be to make Pakistan a reckonable shipbuilding country in the region in line with its potential and strategic policy framework. I may also emphasize that we need to graduate from mere construction to indigenous design and construction of systems progressively in our future undertakings. On this occasion, I wish Karachi Shipyard and Engineering Works, CSOC and CSTC a pleasant and fruitful collaboration experience and success in their ongoing projects. as these vessels will support Pakistan Navy and Pakistan Maritime Security Agency for a long time to come. Their performance and reliability will be a testimony to our strong and enduring relationship. I once again congratulate all stakeholders for achieving these significant milestones. और अब मैं
चीफ एडमिरल ज़काउल्लाह तेज़ रफ्तार बहरी जहाज़ की इफ्तिताही तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं और एडमिरल ज़काउल्लाह का ये कहना है कि इस तकरीब में शिरकत पर खुशी है और पाकिस्तान का दिफा